Let's learn how to read the voltages in Pichondria, programmatically. There are 3 voltages which can be read over the I2C. They are input voltage, output voltage and the battery voltage. Input voltage is the measured voltage at the USB-C input of the Pichondria, where the adapter is connected. The output voltage is the voltage that the Pichondria is supplying to the Raspberry Pi, measured at the pogo pins of the Pichondria. Pogo pins are the golden-colored, spring-loaded compressible contacts which touch the power and I2C pins of the Raspberry Pi from Pichondria. The pogo pins transfer power, and also connect the I2C bus. The battery voltage is the measured voltage of the lithium-ion cells installed in Pichondria. The voltages are measured in volts, and all the voltage read functions return float values. Let's learn to read the voltages programmatically. Import the Pichondria library, and then use get input voltage function to read the input voltage of Pichondria. You can see that it returned a voltage of 4.97 volts. Let's try reading the output and battery voltages using get output voltage and get battery voltage functions. You can see that the functions return their respective voltages for input, output and battery.